Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download Uber Eats application on your mobile device. But firstly, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to the process of downloading. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. If yes, then open Play Store, and after opening Play Store in the search bar, type UBER space EATS and press the search button. After that, Play Store will show what we are looking for on the top of our screen, and right besides the result there will be a green install button, and if you press that button, Play Store will then start your download. To learn more about this application, you have to go inside and you have to find an area where it is written about this app. Over there you can learn about this application. After a while, the application will be successfully downloaded, and then you can use it to its fullest. I hope the tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, give us a like, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions and feedbacks. We'll be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.